everyone, I am Adrija. Welcome to my study room. In this video, we are going to start with question number 8 of exercise 8.1 trigonometry. In the previous video, we have completed till question number 7 of exercise 8.1. In this video, we are going to start with question number 8. So, let's get started. The question number 8 is, if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So over here it is given that if 3 cot A is 4, then we have to prove that whether this is equal to this or not. So now what is given? 3 cot A is equal to 4. Or if 3 cot A is equal to 4, then cot A is equal to 4 by 3, right? So now we know that cot A is equal to, what is cot A? Cot A is equal to base by perpendicular. So what is base? AB is the base and BC is the perpendicular. So cot A in respect of angle A. So what is cot A? AB by BC. And what is given over here? 4 by 3. So what we get? Cot A is equal to AB by BC is equal to 4 by 3. Now let AB be 4K and BC be 3K. We can say AB as 4K and BC as 3K. So what is AB? AB is 4K and BC is 3K. Okay. Now we need to use the Pythagoras theorem to find the hypotenuse, right? We need the hypotenuse for sin A and cos A. So we need to find the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. What is this Pythagoras theorem? What is AB? AB is what? 4K, then AB square is 4K whole square. And BC is 3K, then BC square is 3K whole square. What is 4 square? It is 16K square. Plus what is 3 square? 9. Then K square. Now what is 16K square plus 9K square? 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay. So 25K square. Right, AC square is equal to 25K square, then AC is root 25K square. What is root 25K square? Root 25 is what? 5. And root K square is K. So AC is 5K. We have found out the value of AC. The hypotenuse, it is what? It is 5K. Now we are going to find that whether this is equal to this or not. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we have found out the value of hypotenuse. Now, we have to find out the value of tan A, cos A and sin A, right? Before solving this one. So, first, what is there? Tan A. What is tan A? What is tan? Tan is perpendicular by base. It means 3K by 4K. K will be cut 3 by 4. And then what is cos A? Cos A is base by hypotenuse 4K by 5K. K will be cut. Cos A is 4 by 5. Then sin A. What is sine A? Sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. It means 3k by 5k. K will be cut. What remains? 3 by 5. So now let's find out this. So first we are going to find out left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side and this is the right hand side. First we are going to find out the left hand side. LHS. So what is the LHS? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Now 1 minus. Now we have found out tan A is 3 by 4. Then what will be tan square A? 3 square by 4 square. By 1 plus tan square A, again 3 square by 4 square is equal to 1 minus, what is 3 square? 9. What is 4 square? 16. What is 3 square? 9. 4 square is 16. Now we are going to subtract this and plus this, okay? So what will be here? 16. Right? Now what is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is 7, right? 7 by 16 by, what is 16 plus 9? 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 by 16. Now right? So what will happen? 16 will be cut. What is the answer? The answer is 7 by 25. So 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is what? 7 by 25. Now let's solve the RHS, means right hand side. What is the RHS? Cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. Now what is cos A? We have found out cos A is 4 by 5. Then cos square A will be 4 square by 5 square minus sin square A will be 3 square by 5 square. What is 4 square? 16. What is 5 square? 25. Minus, what is 3 square? 9. 5 square is 25. What is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is what? 7. So now we can see that LHS is also equal to 7 by 25 and RHS is also equal to 7 by 25. It means that these both are equal. This one is right. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let's move to question number 9. Now let's move to question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of, number 1 is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, number 2 is cos A cos C plus sin A sin C. So what is given? Right angled at B, you can see this is right angled at B. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Then we have to find the value of these two. So we know that tan A is equal to, what is tan A? Tan A is equal to perpendicular by base, it means BC by AB, right? Equal to what is given over here? 1 by root 3. Okay, so what we can say? We can say that BC by AB is equal to 1 by root 3. Now, right? Let BC be K and AB be K root 3. So what is BC? BC is what? BC is K and AB is K root 3. Okay, now we need to find AC, right? So we are going to find AC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Right, AC square is equal to AB plus BC square. AC square is equal to what is AB? We know that AB is K root 3, right? Then AB square will be what? K root 3 whole square. Plus we know BC is K. Then what will BC square be? K square. Or AC square is equal to what it will be? What is root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3 and K square plus K square. What it will be? 4K square. Right? What is root 4? Root 4 is 2K. So what is AC? AC is 2K. We have found out the hypotenuse, that is 2K. Now we are going to find out number 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. So now we are going to find out the number 1. The number 1, what is it? Now what is sin A? What is in respect to angle A we are going to find. So what is sine? Sine is what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So which is the perpendicular of area? K is the perpendicular and 2K is the hypotenuse. So it will be what? K by 2K. Now cos C. In respect to angle C, okay? In respect to this angle, angle C. What is cos? Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. In respect to angle C, which is the base? This is the base. BC is the base, right? So what is cos? Base by hypotenuse. Cos C will be what? K by 2K, right? This is base, this is hypotenuse. In respect to angle C, then it will be what? K by 2K. Plus cos A. Now in respect to angle A. What is cos? Again base by hypotenuse. So in respect to angle A, which is the base? Now AB is the base. So what is AB? K root 3 by hypotenuse is 2K. Right? Now sin C. So what is in respect to angle C now? What is sine? Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. In respect to angle C, which is the perpendicular? AB is the perpendicular. So what is sin C? Sin C will be K root 3 by 2K. The K will be cut. All K will be cut. Now what remains? 1 by 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is what? Root 3 square. What is root 3 square? It is 3. 3 by, again what? 2 into 2, 4. What it will be? 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4. What is 4 by 4? It is 1. So the answer of the number 1 is 1. Okay. Now let's move to number 2. What is number 2? Cos A cos C. Sorry, it will be not plus, it will be minus. Okay. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay. So now cos A. What is the value of cos? The value of cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. So cos A in respect to angle A. What is cos? What is the base? Base is K root 3 by 2K. Now cos C in respect to angle C, which is the base? K is the base, right? Now BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. So what will be cos C? Cos C will be what? K by 2K. Sin A. Now, sin A in respect to angle A, what is sin? Sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is the perpendicular in respect to angle A. It is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So it will be K by 2K. Sin C. Now in respect to angle C, what is sin? Again it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So in respect to angle C, which is the perpendicular, now AB is the perpendicular, right? So it will be K root 3 and hypotenuse is AC. So it will be K root 3 by 2K. All the K will be cut. Now root 3 by 2 into 4 minus again root 3 by 2 into 4. Now what is root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4? It is 0, of course. So the answer is 0. Okay, so we have found out the answers of number 1 and number 2. With this we complete the question number 9. In the next video we will be back with question number 10. If you like this video, click on like button, and to stay with me, please click on subscribe button. Thank you.